Hello everyone, I am Malini. Today I will be presenting on Java naming conventions. In this session, I will explain the concept, show its importance and demonstrate it using IntelliJ IDEA with practical examples. Naming conventions are simply rules that Java developers follow when naming classes, methods, variables, and packages. They make the code more readable, consistent, and maintainable. Although the Java compiler doesn't enforce these rules, following them is considered a best practice in the software industry. The most common Java naming conventions are: first one, classes and interfaces. It uses upper camel case like student record. Second one, methods and variables. It uses lower camel case such as getName or employee name. Third one, constants. Constants are written in all caps with underscores, for example, max underscore speed. Finally, the fourth one is packages. Packages are always in lowercase, such as form.example.project. Following naming conventions ensures that other developers can easily understand and maintain the code. It keeps the code consistent, avoids confusion, and makes teamwork smoother. Even in large projects with multiple developers, conventions reduce errors and improve productivity. In IntelliJ IDEA, conventions become easier to apply with built-in features. For example, code completion suggests proper method names, syntax highlighting distinguishes classes and variables, error detection alerts you to invalid names, and refactoring tools allow you to rename variables consistently throughout the project. This is an example program. This program shows Java naming conventions along with inheritance, polymorphism, loops, and decision making. We start with the employee class uses upper camel case variables and methods like employee name and display details. Use lower camel case and the constant max underscore salary is an all caps. The manager class extends employee showing inheritance and it overrides display details, which demonstrates polymorphism. In the main method, we create an array of employees and use a for loop to print their details. An if-else check identifies whether the employee is a manager, and finally a switch case handles options. The output clearly shows employee details, identifies managers, and runs the selected option. This way, the program combines naming conventions with core Java concepts. This is an output of the program. The program prints Alice's details as a regular employee, Bob's details with his department as a manager, and finally shows option 1 selected. This confirms our use of naming conventions, loops, inheritance, and decision making. To conclude, Java naming conventions play an important role in writing clean and professional code. IntelliJ IDEA provides several tools that help us follow these conventions more effectively. By using them consistently, we ensure our code is readable, maintainable, and aligned with industry standards.